Cliff is asking, is the sense of spirituality a physical sense? Chronic pain? If I were to ask you to, it's a tough question, and actually, well, I can answer it, but it won't satisfy you. No, it's not a physical sense. So then your question is, okay, so what is it then? Tell me about it. What's it like? So I'll answer that question because that's probably the next thing you want to know. Hold on, Ruth, don't delete it. Oh, you highlighted it, great. So, hold on, let me just copy the question up top so it doesn't move around. Okay. There we go, sorry. If I were to ask you to describe the color blue to someone that's never seen blue, that's blind from death, from birth, sorry. From death we're all blind. But someone that's blind from birth. If I were to ask you to describe blue to them, how would you do it? And actually, this is a question to all of you in the chat. Can you describe the color of blue to a person that's never seen anything in their life? A person that's blind from birth. Try. I'd love to see. It's a fun exercise. I do it a lot with students, and it's always interesting. It always it makes you think, because the answer is you can't, obviously. And I'm sure. Okay, so I see it's infinite calm, it's soothing. You're not describing the color blue. You're describing the emotion that the color blue awakens in you. Soothing has no descriptive form in it of the actual color itself, but only of the sensation that it awakens in you. Also, eating pie can be soothing to you. And you might say, what does eating pie feel like? And you'll say soothing, but it doesn't mean that you're describing the actual pie, sweet or etc. Let him feel the water and try that as a start. Okay, but water still isn't the color of blue. Water is transparent, and it's a sense of, water is cold. Blue, I guess that's actually a pretty good example, although it still doesn't describe the color of blue, but you could say, okay, blue awakens feelings of, cold usually, red is hot, blue is cold, etc. Blue is the way water tastes. Nice. Although I don't identify with that. I don't think I would. You can't compare a sense of taste to a sense of sight, right? I say that blue is cool, yet fire can be blue. That's also correct, right? I said blue is cool, but fire is also blue. Okay, so I see. First of all, I'm enjoying the answers you guys are writing there. Wait a minute, what's happening to Facebook? Oh, there it is. Okay. Facebook isn't very active. Where are you guys? Is there anyone there? Are you guys on Facebook? Are you watching? Let's see. Okay, yeah, there are some people on Facebook. Go ahead, ask. All right, great. So Alejandro is saying we can only give examples that already assume our qualities, right? So, and Willie's asking, please, how would you explain? So I told you, I can't explain what the color blue is to someone that's never seen it, that's blind from birth, because they don't have the correct vessel to experience what that means. If someone's seen something in their life, then you can already have some kind of, you could say, it's like purple but a bit lighter, and think of it with an orange tint, and that's only to a person that's seen already. But if someone lacks the sense, you cannot explain to them what their color blue is. Therefore, you cannot explain what the spiritual sense is. And about this, Kabbalists write, taste and see. Until you don't taste it yourself, get it into your senses, meaning develop a sense that will be able to experience it, then you will not be able to understand what spirituality is. You'll be able to sense, you'll be able to feel, just like you can feel that something is soothing or this or it's that, and you will feel it, and I'm sure many of you already do. But what you're feeling is you're feeling what's called the surrounding light. it's before the light enters your vessel, then you don't have a vessel yet. You only have this point, this seed, and the light is infinite, and it's like, imagine liters of water that are pouring out from the sky, and you don't even have, this tiny cup. You don't have that. You have like a dot, like a broken piece of something. It won't be able to get filled with water, but it will be able to get a sense of it, to interact with it to an extent, to feel it.